Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you how you can sign up or create an account on the IRL application on your Android device or your iOS device. First of all, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video to our channel. And without any further ado, let us get started. The first step you want to make sure is that you have downloaded the IRL application on your phone. If you have not yet downloaded the application, then simply open your Play Store if you're on the Android, and if you're on your iPhone, then open the App Store. Now depending on whichever app stores you have, depending upon your device, on the top of the screen you will see the search box. Simply click on the search box and type in IRL. Once you type in IRL, you can see the first application which comes up is called IRL Do More Together. So what you want to do is, if you are on your Android, then you will see a green install button to download it, and if you're on your iOS or your iPhone, then you will see a cloud-like icon. Simply click on the cloud-like icon and then verify the download using your Apple ID password or whichever security methods you have on your iPhone. So once you are sure that you have downloaded and installed the IRL application on your phone, let us move on to the sign up process or the account creation process. So what we want to do is simply open IRL right over here, and as you can see, the first option which says it's called Get Started. Now at the bottom you can see the option Login, but that option is only for those who already have an account. But in this video we're going to learn how to sign up and create an account. So simply click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you can see options such as your phone number, and in the next box you can see email address. You can sign up using any of these. So I'm simply going to select one of my phone numbers over here. Once you enter your phone number, you need to check the option Terms and Conditions right over here, and at the bottom you can see the arrow icon in a circle. Simply click on the arrow icon. Once you do that, it will send you a code on your device, and if your device supports it, it will automatically verify the code. So in my case, it already verified the code. What you want to do right over here is select your birthday. Once you select your birthday, at the bottom you can see again the arrow icon. What you want to do is simply click on the arrow icon right over here, and you need to enter your full name. So enter your full name without any hesitation. Once you enter your full name, you need to click on the arrow icon again and fill in another detail, which is to choose a username. You can simply select this username, and you could also customize it, and simply click on the arrow icon again. As you can see, it is asking us to add a profile picture. Now you may or you may not want to add a profile picture. If you want to add a profile picture, then simply click on the plus icon. But if you want to skip this process, at the bottom you can see the arrow icon. Simply click on the arrow icon, and you need to allow permissions. So you also need to allow the contacts permissions right over here and click on allow. And you also need to allow the location permissions and click on allow again. So once you enable both of the permissions, you can see at the bottom the arrow icon. Simply click on the arrow icon again, and as you can see, it is asking us to create a group. You simply can create a group right over here, and simply click on the arrow icon right over here again. Once you do that, you can add some of your friends who are on your contact list to your group. If you don't want to do that, then simply click on the arrow icon again. And as you can see, our group also has been successfully created, and we have also signed up to our IRL account. Now if you want to see on the top left hand side, you can see a profile icon, and currently this is our profile, and we have successfully created our profile on our IRL application. So this is how you can sign up or create an account on the IRL application for absolutely free. We hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, because we are going to bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.